Welcome, Gear Up students, to your Oklahoma Career Guide login page. Let's begin. Select the OKCG login. Enter the username and password provided to you. And log in. Once you have reached your Oklahoma Career Guide dashboard, we need to update some information. Select the drop-down arrow beside Welcome and Account Settings. Update your school information if needed, and your grade level. Once you have updated your school information, if needed, and your grade level, select Take an Assessment. You will begin or retake the 3 assessments provided to you. Once you complete the assessments, you can explore occupations, explore majors, or any other information provided from your assessment results. Don't log out yet. You still have a few tasks to complete.